Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I clean up my eyebrows and how I fill them in. I do have a brow tutorial on my channel, I think. I don't really remember, but this is an updated one if I do already have a video, and it's kind of the same routine, but I just wanted to show you guys so I could have a brow video on my channel as well, so just keep on watching. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way, I'll be on the way. Once you clean all around your eyebrows and you do the bottom, if your hairs are too long and you have like really thick brows, you can just like brush them up. Just brush them upwards. And you can take a pair of small scissors and trim the extra length of the hairs on your brow, or you can do the technique that I'm about to do with the same razor. You can just kind of like press down the hair with the razor and cut through the hair. I don't always do this because I feel like from me filling in my eyebrows all the time for my videos and stuff, my brows are kind of going bald. I have a few bald spots in there. Fill them in now. And I always brush them up before filling them in. Fill them in, I brush them through again with the spoolie, especially in the front of the brow, because you don't want to have like any harsh lines. You want it to look ombre, so light, and then it transitions to get darker. I know there's like 1,000,001 brow tutorials on YouTube, but this is just how I do my brows personally. And sometimes when you brush the product through, you don't want to brush too hard, because you can also take away from like where you don't have hair and you just drew it in. If you brush too hard, you'll wipe it off. Happened to me plenty of times. So now I'm going to use my LA Girl concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Then I'm going to take my flat brush from Morphe, and I'm going to take some of that concealer on the brush. And now I'm just going to clean up the brow. And if you want some really sharp brows, you want to take your time. It's gonna take a little while, and I cannot talk through this, so yeah. Okay, so this is how it looks after you clean up the bottom part of the brow. Lately, I've been cleaning up the top part of my brow as well, but you don't have to use the same concealer. You can use a concealer that matches more of your foundation, or you can use your foundation to cut the top brow, since you want your brow bone to be brighter. And then up here, you don't want it to look as bright because it'll look crazy, but I'm only going to take a tiny bit, and I'm going to clean up the brow up here. And this is just going to make the brow look extra crisp. Okay? Okay, so this is how the brow looks. I'm going to begin this brow and I'll be right back. Whether you prefer a beauty blender or a brush, this is a time to take your beauty blender or a brush and just blend out that concealer onto your skin. So this is basically it for my brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini little video. I hope I didn't do a lot of talking, and I'll see you guys in the next video for the eyeshadow tutorial.
Why you gonna do like that? Why you gonna keep that thing from me?